Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today. Moving into shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around, gradually increasing your range of motion. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions. Lift your shoulders up, forward, down, and around, refining this movement by relaxing the muscles at the base of your neck. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle neck stretch. Sitting tall, relax your right ear towards your right shoulder. Reach your right hand across your body, placing it to your left shoulder. Keeping your shoulders down and back, feeling a gentle stretch through the left side of your neck, all the way down into your left shoulder. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, relax your left ear towards your left shoulder. Reach your left hand across your body, placing it to your right shoulder, keeping your shoulders down and back, feeling a gentle stretch through the right side of your neck, all the way down into your right shoulder. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle shoulder stretch. Raise your right arm forward, bending at your elbow, fingertips point to the sky. Use your left hand to draw your right arm across your body, keeping your shoulders down and back, feeling a gentle stretch through your right shoulder and upper back. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Raise your left arm forward, bending at your elbow, fingertips point to the sky. Use your right hand to draw your left arm across your body. Continue breathing deeply, noticing how your exhalations begin to ease away any tension. Release and return to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue flowing with this movement. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, and with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.